Hi everybody. Welcome to Education Hacks. Because it's the first video, I'm gonna present some things about me. After that, my plans with this channel. If you like what you are going to see, you can subscribe for more content from Education Hacks. First of all, let me to introduce myself. My name is Christy, I'm 17 and I'm from Romania. In present, I'm studying at college and I'm working as a freelancer, dealing with selling whiteboard animations. I chose to create a YouTube channel because I'm so satisfied about how my animations looks, and I decided to create more for YouTube, with different subjects. Most clients ask me for animations for their businesses, so I have to create animations with business subject. Here, on YouTube, I'm gonna to explain a lot of subjects through the whiteboard animations. This video will be short, because I don't want you to get bored with boring informations about me. Subscribe to my channel to watch the following exciting videos.